Hello students, in today's lecture session we are going to discuss another important topic of marketing, that is public relations. It is also referred to as PR. So for more informative simple lecture sessions, kindly subscribe to my channel Kamal Sidhu. Public relations. The term public relations is a combination of two words. That is public, which means the people which share a common interest, and the relation, which means mutual understanding between those group of people. Hence, public relations is a strategic communication process the companies and the individuals use to build a mutually beneficial relationship with the public. It uses the media and other mediums to create and maintain a positive brand or a company image and a strong relationship with all the stakeholders. The stakeholders include the employees, the customers, the investors, the suppliers, the government, and the other agencies which are part of the business operations. So the main aim of public relation is not to sell but to make a favorable image of the company or the brand. So it is clear from the definition that public relations is a kind of a promotional tool, or we can say it's a component of promotion mix. So these are types of public relations. The first one is media relations. So establishing a good relationship with the media organizations, and it acts as their content source. Then is the investor relations. As we know that the investors are the important stakeholders of the business. The handling of investor queries, their events and media queries and complaints are important part of the investor relations. Then comes the social relations, the CSR activities, that is corporate social responsibility activities, are covered in this part. The positive brand image is established by carrying out social activities like environment protection campaigns, arranging of medical and blood donation camps, and through promotion of education. Then the fourth one is the employee relations. So the employees are properly communicated regarding the company policies and new product launches. The employees are made part of various special events of the company. Then comes the government relations. The brand or the company is positively represented to the government with regard to the fulfillment of certain legal obligations like CSR campaigns, fair prices, consumer and employee protections. Then comes customer relations. So handling of customer queries and feedback is very important. The market research is conducted to know about the consumer demands and priorities, and customers are conveyed about various products and services through public relations. And the last one is supporting marketing efforts. So various marketing efforts of the company, like the new product launches and other promotional events, are supported by the public relations department. So these are various types of public relations. As we know that the main objective of public relations is to maintain a positive reputation of the brand and to maintain a strong long-term relationship with all its stakeholders. So these are some of the important functions of public relations. The first one is analyzing the business environment. So the prevailing business environment, both internally and externally, are analyzed by the public relations, and it also helps in maintaining a positive image of the brand in the prevailing business environment. Then the second is designing strategies. So the strategies regarding the new product launches, the expansion plans, are conveyed to the public through the PR or public relations. Then the third comes writing content. So the content for the websites, the print media, are written by the public relations department. The press releases, the speech writing and media relations are maintained through public relations. Then the fourth one is crisis management, which is one of the important functions of PR. The crisis management strategy is designed in order to meet any kind of negative campaign against the brand or the organization. Then the Fourth one is the handling of social media. Handling the social media presence of the company and responding to public queries on various social media platforms is also one of the important functions of public relations department. Next comes the dealing with the stakeholders. So the public relations department plays a very important role in maintaining a positive relationship with all its stakeholders like the government, the investors, the public, the employees and the customers. Hence we can say that public relations is one of the important elements of promotion mix which is very important for the growth and success of the business organization. So this is all for today's lecture session. In coming lecture sessions, we will discuss some other important elements of promotion mix, that is advertising and personal selling. So check your progress by attempting these questions. Thank you.